Guys, welcome to Baby Loves Tradition. I'm gonna Super Mario. What? मैं को बेबी पुपू दस देखो हमारा ये ओ जनरल का एसी चल रहा है इन्वर्टर आउटर पार्ट and please welcome O General 5 the AC from Fujitsu. O General Inverter 5-star inverter AC. O General Inverter. This is outer part. The outer part is very noisy. It's the remote. The fan moves. Fan speed is 4. That's why it is making so much noise. And uncle said if we'll on the fan and on the AC, if we'll on the fan and on the AC, so the AC will give cool air. If we are on the fan, it will not give cool air. And this general AC cool, this cooling till here. Till here, the O General AC is cooling. Media, Carrier, Blue Star, Daikin, Samsung, LG, Voltas, Hitachi, Panasonic, O General. This AC is very cool and best. This is Daikin inverter AC and this Blue Star non-inverter AC. I said the Blue Star cools here and Daikin cools here. And O General here. In this AC is very best. Cools. The outer part is very noisy because the fan level is 4. And this is my new Luigi soft toy, and Mario got his brother Luigi. Mario. Bye everyone.